Hey, busy bees! Got just a couple of minutes in the morning? Let's use them to blast that belly fat and start your day with a burst of energy. Alright, first up, we're diving into plank jacks. Start in a plank position, and just like it sounds, jump your legs out and in, like a horizontal jumping jack. Aim for 30 seconds. This isn't just great for your abs, it'll spike your heart rate and kickstart that metabolism too. Next, let's keep that core engaged with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and pedal the air with your legs while twisting to touch your opposite elbow to your knee. Alternate sides and push through for another 30 seconds. This one's a killer for the obliques and gets those deep abdominal muscles working. No time to waste, straight into Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, lift those feet if you can, and twist side to side. If you want an extra challenge, grab a book or a water bottle to hold while you twist. Keep this up for 30 seconds. Feel that burn? That's your belly fat crying for mercy. Finally, wrap up with mountain climbers. Get back into that plank position and drive your knees into your chest as fast as you can. Push hard for the final 30 seconds. This is not just great for the abs, but it's also a full body cardio burst. There you have it. In just 2 minutes, you've tackled 4 powerful exercises that not only target belly fat but also improve your overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key, so try to make this a part of your daily morning routine. You've got this. Let's make every minute count and turn those busy mornings into a powerhouse of productivity and health. Catch you in the next quick workout. And remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, take care.